with the big breaking as far as BJP issuing a show cause notice to Jayant Sinha is concerned. Now, this particular notice is over skipping the poll campaign. The BJP cites the move maligns the party image. So clearly big action we understand that has been taken by the party at the moment. Sohan, my colleague, is joining me for more details. Sohan, good morning. जहां तक ये शो कॉज इशू नोटिस दिया गया है जयंत सिन्हा के लिए, बेग योर पार्डन, क्या कुछ जानते हैं हम? क्योंकि बीजेपी का ये भी मानना है कि जो उन्होंने कैंपेनिंग में हिस्सा नहीं लिया वो पार्टी का कहीं ना कहीं इमेज को खराब करता है।
गुड मॉर्निंग। और 20 मई को झारखंड में लोकसभा चुनाव के बाद बीजेपी ने पूर्व केंद्रीय मंत्री जयंत सिन्हा को नोटिस भेजा। नोटिस में साफ तौर पर इस बात का जिक्र किया गया है कि मनीष जायसवाल को बीजेपी ने लोकसभा का प्रत्याशी बनाया था और जब से चुनाव में खड़े थे तब से जयंत सिन्हा किसी पार्टी कार्यक्रम में या मनीष जायसवाल के पक्ष में वो कहीं दिखे नहीं और ना ही किसी मीटिंग में वो शामिल हुए। और उससे बड़ी बात है कि जब 20 मई को लोकसभा का चुनाव था उस दिन भी उन्होंने अपना वोट भी नहीं दिया था। तो कहीं ना कहीं उस नोटिस में लिखा हुआ है कि बीजेपी पार्टी की इसे छवि धुंधल हुई है कि जिनकी वरिष्ठ नेता है जयंत सिन्हा, पूर्व केंद्रीय मंत्री रह चुके हैं, वर्तमान में सांसद भी हैं और उनके द्वारा बीजेपी प्रत्याशी के पक्ष में कोई प्रचार नहीं करना, कोई मीटिंग में शामिल नहीं होना, वोट नहीं देना कहीं ना कहीं एक तरह से अनुशंसनीयता के दायरे में आता है। तो बीजेपी ने नोटिस जारी कर 2 दिन के अंदर उनसे जवाब मांगा है, लेकिन नोटिस जारी होने के बाद अभी तक जयंत सिन्हा का कोई पक्ष नहीं आया है। तो 2 दिन का वेट करना होगा कि आखिर दो दिनों में वो बीजेपी को उस नोटिस के खिलाफ में क्या जवाब देते हैं।
Ji Sohan, thank you very much for getting us those details as to what we know so far about this notice that has been given. But for the moment, let's leave it at that. But I'm also being joined in by Pratul Shah-Deo, BJP spokesperson of Jharkhand this morning. Mr. Pratul, thank you very much for taking the time out and joining us here on Mirror Now. Of course, let me begin by asking you this. What really prompted this action for the party, of course, to be sending the show cause notice?
Jayant Sinha was a 3-time MP. He was also a former Union Minister of State for Foreign Affairs. And once he was not given the party ticket, we expected him to join the bandwagon and actually do the election campaigning for the Manish Jaiswal, the candidate for the DP from Hazaribagh. But he actually sat idle at home, and this is not acceptable in BJP. And the being a 3-time MP and a former minister, he did not even go to vote, exercise his voting rights. So this is unpardonable. Somehow tarnishes the party's image, and he has not been taking any interest in Manish Jaiswal's candidate campaign, and he has kept himself away. And moreover, people close to him have been resigning at regular intervals in Hazaribagh. So this consider is not very, very good for the party. We're close to the anti-party. We have given him a show cause and given 2 days to respond as to why action should not be taken against him. But him going and not voting, and this is unthinkable. Yeah.
Mr. Theo, as you speak about that, let me ask you this. Is this also somewhere down the line a larger message that the party would like to put across to several leaders as well?
See, our party is totally a cadre-based party. We totally believe in discipline. And not only Jayant Sinha, another MP, I beg your pardon, another MLA from Dhanbad, Raj Sinha, has also been given a show cause notice as why action should not be taken, because he has also shown total lackluster attitude towards the election campaign that has been going on. See, this is a 5-year examination. This is no joke. This is not a semester examination. This happens once in a 5-year, and if you're not taking any interest in the campaign and moreover indulging in anti-party activities, the party will take a very serious note of it. I think Jayant Sinha will have to do a lot of answering. Why he didn't vote? That's the big question. See, it tarnishes his own image too. And he has totally kept himself away from the campaign of the party. And we consider it anti-party activities. And let him come up with a reply, and we'll take the whatever reply he gives, we'll act accordingly.
And Mr. Patel, before I let you go, what do you believe would be the larger message to the citizen as well? Because we do know at this point of time, there are outreaches made to citizens to be exercising their mandate, but when people in power are not doing the same, do you think there will be larger implications of it?
Yeah, see, MPs are supposed to be trendsetters. You see, if MP, he's currently an MP too. If an MP doesn't vote in his elections, what message is he giving to his electorate, the very people who have elected him? So this is like something which is very, very unacceptable. See, you can say the voting percentage is falling, but when a sitting MP doesn't vote, what excuse does he have? He actually has no excuse. This was just his way of showing the anger that he has been denied the ticket. See, our party chooses the role which you have to play. Sometimes you have to be an MLA, MP, or sometimes you have to just indulge in organizational work. Jayant Sinha just thought he was too big for the party.
All right, Mr. Deo, also wanted to understand from your perspective when Mr. Sinha, we understand in March, had also taken to social media to relieve him of his direct electoral duties. That is because he had other aspirations. But do you believe in the larger aspect of things that connect and in terms of his career that he's had as a politician, but opposed to what decision he's taken today by not really exercising that mandate, can really draw a thin line between what a citizen should be really making of this?
See, he has set a very bad example by not voting. And Jayant Sinha decided to call it a day in politics the very day when the tickets were going to be announced, just I think 2-3 hours before the tickets were announced. So probably he had an inkling of what was going to happen. But you're very right. See, it leaves a very bad kind of impression. We talked about the voting percentage falling across the country, but when a sitting MP doesn't vote, what excuse does he have? Absolutely nothing. He has actually, failed himself as a citizen of the country by not voting. And he is no ordinary citizen. He is one of the chosen 543 MP. So that's very bad for democracy.
Right, Mr. Deo, I appreciate you not only taking the time out and joining us here this morning, but also essentially telling us how the party plans to, of course, send out a larger message as well. But for the moment, we'd have to leave it to that. Thank you very much. The shifter folks, far as BJP issuing a show-cause notice to Jayant Sinha is concerned. Now, this particular notice is over skipping the poll campaign. The BJP cites the move maligns the party image. So clearly big action, we understand, that has been taken by the party at the moment. Sohan, my colleague, is joining me for more details. Sohan, good morning. जहां तक ये शो कॉज इशू नोटिस दिया गया है जयंत सिन्हा के लिए, बेग पार्डन, क्या कुछ जानते हैं हम? क्योंकि बीजेपी का ये भी मानना है कि जो उन्होंने कैंपेनिंग में हिस्सा नहीं लिया वो पार्टी का कहीं ना कहीं इमेज को खराब करता है।
गुड मॉर्निंग। और 20 मई को झारखंड में लोकसभा चुनाव के बाद बीजेपी ने पूर्व केंद्रीय मंत्री जयंत सिन्हा को नोटिस भेजा। नोटिस में साफ तौर पर इस बात का जिक्र किया गया है कि मनीष जायसवाल को बीजेपी ने लोकसभा का प्रत्याशी बनाया था और जब से चुनाव में खड़े थे तब से जयंत सिन्हा किसी पार्टी कार्यक्रम में या मनीष जायसवाल के पक्ष में वो कहीं दिखे नहीं और ना ही किसी मीटिंग में वो शामिल हुए। और उससे बड़ी बात है कि जब 20 मई को लोकसभा का चुनाव था उस दिन भी उन्होंने अपना वोट भी नहीं दिया था। तो कहीं ना कहीं उस नोटिस में लिखा हुआ है कि बीजेपी पार्टी की इसे छवि धुंधली हुई है कि जिनकी वरिष्ठ नेता है जयंत सिन्हा, पूर्व केंद्रीय मंत्री रह चुके हैं, वर्तमान में सांसद भी हैं और उनके द्वारा बीजेपी प्रत्याशी के पक्ष में कोई प्रचार नहीं करना, कोई मीटिंग में शामिल नहीं होना, वोट नहीं देना कहीं ना कहीं एक तरह से अनुशंसनीयता के दायरे में आता है। तो बीजेपी नोटिस जारी 2 दिन के अंदर उनसे जवाब मांगा है, लेकिन नोटिस जारी होने के बाद अभी तक जयंत सिन्हा का कोई पक्ष नहीं आया है। तो 2 दिन का वेट करना होगा कि आखिर 2 दिनों में वो बीजेपी को उस नोटिस के खिलाफ में क्या जवाब देते हैं।